Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my so many previous videos for the past several months, I have been showing you this very big falling wedge pattern. And when the movement was quite squeezed inside this wedge and it was dropped down at this long-term support of 8.5 cents, I have been telling you in those days that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this very huge resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And once it will be able to break out this multi-year based resistance, then a long-term rally to the upside can be started, and this long-term downtrend will be finished. You can see that so far from this low, when we were testing the support here, up till this high, Algorand has rallied more than 207%, but could not break out this very huge resistance. That is a complete resistance on that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance on, then you can see that it has been breaking the resistance on here, support on here, support here for several weeks, a month, and after the breakdown, since after the month of November 2022, it is breaking at a very strong resistance. And by the way, during this move to the downside after this rejection, it has broken down this quite long-term support of EMA 21 that has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance. And for the past several weeks, you can see it was breaking at a nice support. Even for the past several months, it worked as a support here in the month of November 2023. And for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a support here as well in the month of January 2024. But now recently, we have lost this support. But after getting bounced on this next support of 15 cents a price, and it geared up, and now it is about to make another attempt to break out this resistance of EMA 21. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that right now the pricing is trying to break out this very huge resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Ronin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 1st of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Algorand, and this is the 7-day time frame chart. And here I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern for the past several months. You can see since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this wedge, and after getting squeezed, finally we broke out the resistance. And we had a very nice rally where the price line so far is not able to break out this resistance on. This is a key resistance on that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And I've been telling you that in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break it out, because this is a very long-term resistance on coming all the way from here, from the month of September 2019. It had been breaking other resistance here for several weeks, a month. And for several weeks, it had been breaking other resistance here. And then from the month of August 2020 up till the month of December 2020, it had been breaking as a support. And after this huge drop from the month of June 2022 up till the month of October 2022, it has been again breaking as a support. And after the breakdown, you can see that from the month of January 2023 up till now, it is working as a very strong resistance for the price line of Algorand. At the same time, Algorand is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. We have broken out the lower bands, and now it is rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now we are very close to hit the upper bands once again. And once it will be able to break it out, then this Ichimoku bearish cloud will be flipped into a nice and long-term support. And after breaking out this cloud, there will be a very high probability that the price line may also break out this long-term resistance on as well. And by the way, when it will break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, almost at the same time, it can also break out this resistance, this red line resistance of EMA 21 as well. Now, if you take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is by the way here. at the top of the wedge that can be between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.